Are you using certain text colors or cell colors in Google Sheets like green or red? Using conditional formatting to change the color of the cell based on its contents? Want to sort or filter your cells based on the color? Filter by color in Sheets in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to filter by color in Sheets. In a sheet where you're using colors, add a filter. Then drop down and say Filter by Color and choose Fill Color or Text Color. Then you'll only see cells that match that color, just like any other filter. So there you have it, filter by color in Sheets in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.